With the Nextimage Remote app on a tablet, you can control your installed Nextimage software from a distance. With Nextimage Remote, you can validate your scans on a tablet right in front of you. Using Nextimage Remote requires the following: Nextimage software version 5.4 or later installed on your PC, the Nextimage Remote app downloaded to an iOS or Android tablet, and a compatible context scanner. Your scanner is compatible if it has a groove for the tablet in the scanner lid. PC, tablet, and scanner must all be on the same local area network. To enable the Nextimage software on your PC to communicate with the Nextimage Remote on your tablet, within Nextimage, go to the Tools and Remote Control Options menu. Select Allow Remote Access and click OK. Download Nextimage Remote on your tablet. Add the scanner. If the scanner does not automatically appear in the list of available systems, just tap on the search button until it does. Nextimage Remote is designed to ease your scanning process, not complicate it. Therefore, we've chosen to include only the most used and important features in the app, and kept the more detailed and complex actions and choices in the PC software. However, the app does have a few new extras. In the Nextimage preset list, Remote can mark your most used presets to have them appear at the top of the list for faster access. Any changes in the presets, such as image control or printer settings, still needs to be made on your PC. Having Nextimage Remote running on a tablet placed right on top of the scanner boosts procedures such as batch scanning for higher productivity. Nextimage Remote lets you concentrate fully on simply loading the scanner, as you can check your scanning results directly in front of you. No need to go back and forth between your computer and the scanner to validate and complete your work. If you need to rescan one of your documents, simply select the document in the thumbnail list, tap the scan, and either delete or rescan it. Deleting the document also deletes the scan number, where rescanning keeps the number and pairs it with the next scan. All major function buttons are nice and clear and placed neatly along the top of the screen, making Nextimage Remote quick to learn and very easy to use.